Hi, welcome back to the test centre at Vixen Surface Treatments, and today I'm a little bit excited because we've got some special parts with us. We're working quite closely with a really good company called J Laverack Bicycles. You've probably heard of them. They're quite famous for building an Aston Martin road bike. The reason that they're famous is because what they do is they bond carbon fibre tubes to 3D printed titanium, and this is what we've got today. 3D printed titanium is actually quite rough and difficult to work with. It's very hard. In fact, if you come and have a look, you'll be able to see the surface, just how rough it is. So what we're going to do today is we're going to blast it with B40 ceramic media. So it's quite large and at quite high pressure. And we're going to see if we can get a really nice satin finish, a cosmetic look to it. So the question is, will it blast? Right, we've finished the blasting process. And as you can see, the difference is massive. The satin shine is there. It's even smoothed some of the titanium off a little bit on the 3D printing process. And I am absolutely sure our customer would be happy with that finish. In fact, come and have a look for yourselves. All right. So, thank you very much for your time. Until next time.